The Fund for Women and Girls ignites change in Chester County now through our girls programs and nonprofit grant making, and into the future by stewarding women's and girls' advancement through advocacy and long-term philanthropy. Published every 5 years, the Blueprint Report highlights pressing issues facing women and girls at the local, state, and national levels, with a deep dive on conditions in Chester County.
The Blueprint Report is a great way for the private sector, the public sector, and nonprofits to understand the needs of women nationally, here in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, locally, and especially right here in Chester County. In Chester County, we're striving for equality, both as an employer, but also for all 500,000 residents here. The Blueprint Report provides us the data we need to implement policies so we can get closer to equality for all of our residents.
Black Women of Chester County in Action actually was born out of the Blueprint Report. There was certain data and statistics that we always suspected, but we weren't really sure. And the Blueprint kind of shined a light on it that made us say, here, this is what we've been looking for. This is all the information we needed. So because of the Blueprint Report, BWCCA, as I said, was born from that. Several of us, about 30 women, gathered in September 2016 to talk about the data, the statistics. Some of us knew because we had been to the launch, but a lot of the women there didn't know. And it was a time where a lot of women came together that had been working probably in their own silos, but here was a time where collectively we all came together to say, okay, this is some information, what are we going to do with this? And that's how BWCCA was born.
Personally, I reflect on my mother. She worked really hard raising and supporting 4 kids, and I saw how much not having access to reliable childcare inhibited her from pursuing the best possible job opportunities. So we worked with the Alliance during COVID to make sure that we were covering childcare for anyone within 200% of the poverty level here in Chester County. And a lot of that support was informed by the data in the Blueprint Report. It allows us to make good policy decisions a little bit quicker.
We believe that women and girls will have equality and security, making our communities stronger and more vibrant for everyone. The Fund is a vital partner and leader, known for boldness, connectivity, and creativity as we bring together and support individuals and organizations around a shared commitment to the well-being and self-determination of women and girls.
Danny Apex Productions.